Hey guys, this is Patty for CongoleseSister. So today I recreated this prom makeup look for you guys, and I'm actually wearing my prom top. So yeah, I hope you will enjoy this video, and don't forget to like, comment, share, subscribe before you watch the video, and I'll see you on the other side. Hey guys, I'm starting off with priming the face. So this is a new primer that I'm using. I'm using the Boscia primer. I think I'm going to list the name exactly in the description box, but I think it's just like called the Mattifying Boscia primer. And then I use my Fenty Beauty damn, I'm really out of it today. Like this kind of like setting powder for all my oily places. So for foundation, I mix my Born This Way and in the shade Brulee with my Lancôme Teint foundation in the shade, I think it's 450. That will also be listed down below. So I blended both of them together, as you can see. Yes. Don't forget to go down the neck, guys. And now I'm doing my eyebrow. And this is just my NYX Espresso eyebrow pencil. Nothing new. That is my go-to. I use it every day. Been using it for so long now. But it's so cheap and it's so good. So I'm gonna keep on using it and saving my coins, okay? And if you got a problem with me, well, don't come at me, because I don't care. I'm just concealing my brows now with my medium beige LA Girl Pro Concealer. Just shaping those brows, because you know, for prom you definitely want your brows to be poppin'. You know what I'm saying? It's your prom girl, so go all out. Yes. Don't stop until you find that it's perfect. I will also be using that same concealer to conceal all the spots that I want to be highlighted. So under my eyes, to brighten up my eyes, also the bridge of my nose, my forehead, and my why do I always forget? My chin. Yes, my chin. And I will blend it out with my beauty blender as per usual, and then I will set that all with my Sacha Buttercup setting powder. Okay, so I know that my pointing wasn't kind of good, but I firstly went with a 518 and Rusted mixed together. I put a bit of 518 and Rusted, and then I'm gonna go in the same area with You're Kidding from the James Charles and Morphe palette. now I'm taking my Jaclyn Hill's Morphe palette, and I'm taking the shade Jacz, if I'm not mistaken. So yeah, I don't know why I get so mixed up with that, the way that the shades are named behind the palette, and I don't know why, because it's actually the easiest thing ever. So yeah, now I'm just concealing, adding concealer to just like cut my eyelid, and it's the same concealer that I've been using all throughout this video. So I'm just cutting my crease a bit to make it sharper, you know. On my lid, if I'm not mistaken, I think I went in with Trophy Wife by Fenty Beauty. I will make sure to look in my makeup and list it down below for you guys. And then on top of that, I took my Jaclyn Hill and Morphe palette, and I used the shade Queen, because I'm a queen. My name is Queen Bee. For those that don't know yet, now you know. Okay? Okay, so now I'll be looking a bit different than when you last saw me. So I just added my lashes, and I added my eyeliner. My eyeliner is from Tarte. It's the gel liner, if I'm correct, that's how it's called. And I also added my lashes, which is the Ardell 105. And now I'm just adding some contour. The contour that I'm using is from ABH, and it's I mix espresso and copper brown because copper brown is just too brownish for my skin tone. So I mix espresso and copper brown. But I really need to buy a new contour. If you have any suggestions for me, go and comment it down below. So yeah, and with the rest of my contour, I'm just sweeping it off all over my face, and then I'm just cutting my cheeks with the same Sacha Buttercup powder, just to make my face extra snatch, you know what I'm saying. I'm contouring my nose again with the espresso and copper brown, and then I'm using this blush by Beige Cosmetics. There's no name, so unfortunately I don't know the name, but it's from like one of their blush palette. I think it's like, I don't even know what's the name of the blush palette. I'll try to list it down below. So yeah, I'm sweeping off that excess how do you say, that excess powder. Lining my lips with Kylie Jenner True Blonde K lip liner. Yo, look how this pencil is almost done, guys. This is a new setting spray that I bought. It's from Boscia. It's the charcoal, white charcoal mattifying setting spray. I like it, but the thing I don't like with this is the white spot. You see how there's like white spots? I always need to tap in right after that I apply the setting spray, and the white spots don't show up. They don't appear no more during the day. For my lips, I use the ABH lip palette. Just one moment. Is the lip palette, the first volume, and the shade is the number 11, if I'm not mistaken. Yeah, it was the number 11. And then I just applied this Victoria's Secret lip gloss on top, because I wanted my lips to be extra glossy, because I'm a glossy bitch, okay? For highlight, I use my ABH times Amrezy highlighter. Like, that is a good highlight, and I feel like for prom, your highlight needs to be popping, but it doesn't need to be extra. Like, at first I wanted to use my Fenty Beauty Trophy Wipe, but I was just like, nah, Patricia, like, it's too much. It's too much. So yes, this is the finished look. Okay, so guys, this is the finished look. This is my prom makeup. I tried, all I did is like, I tried to match it with my prom dress. Basically, I graduated 4 years ago now from high school, but I also graduated a semester ago from college. So yeah, this is the look. I hope you enjoyed the video. Thank you so much for watching the video, guys. Thank you so much for coming back week to week. We really appreciate that. We really appreciate all the love and support, all the comments. Thank you so much, guys. It means the world to us. And also, I just want to wish everybody that's going to prom a really wonderful, blessed, marvelous prom, and I hope prom is what you guys expected. So I will leave you on. Have a blessed night, day, whatever, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye.
What else? Your body will kill me. Now, up in every palm bed. Ram town. Now. 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3,